Wanna book your bus ticket today? Here's how to redBus. Download and open the app. Click the Enter Origin tab to search and select Kuala Lumpur. Now click on Enter Destination to search and select Malacca as your destination city. Select your date of travel. Click on Sort and Filter. The app will now display several filter options to choose from. Scroll down to view the boarding and dropping points that are available. The app will display the top boarding points in Kuala Lumpur. You can similarly select your dropping point in Malacca as well. Click on Apply after selecting your filters. Select the bus of your choice from the range of options that are displayed. Select your seat and then click Done. Select your boarding and your dropping points and then click Proceed. Enter your passenger and contact information and click Continue Booking. Verify your trip details, enter your offer code and select your mode of payment. Once your payment's been completed, you will receive your M-ticket for Kuala Lumpur to Malacca on the redBus app along with an e-ticket on the registered email.